I hope you enjoyed the short that I made. It was exceptionally fun to make. It was a cold, dark, stormy day in Flagstaff that day. But let me know down in the comments if you guys actually enjoyed the short. I kind of want to try something new where when I'm doing these review videos, I make a short film, because then it pushes me not only to make a short film, but I also make the review. So it's kind of it's both. It's best of both worlds. It's visually stimulating as well as educational, in the sense of this is a review video and I'm going to tell you what I know and how I feel about the product, kind of an observation or a opinion. This is Clean by Minamul. It is an organic men's face wash, and I would say probably about a month to maybe a month and a half ago, this company, they reached out to me and asked me to make a review video for them. I've been using it in conjunction with this face wash, which is the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses. I'm not gonna lie, I actually really like this stuff. It does what I need it to. But this stuff is cool, because where this is kind of just this weird foaming thing that kind of just takes it just strips the face of its oils. This is more of a scrub, and this is actually one of the things that I think is sublime about this is what they use for the actual scrub compound, which is walnut shells. We should not be using any type of silica or anything like that on top of our face, because it's absolutely horrible and it's getting into our pores and our face is just ingesting this poison essentially. So to me, I think that using walnut shells as a substitute to something that is far more harmful, brilliant. It is said that it is natural, and I believe it is vegan. It's also non-GMO and gluten-free. So yeah, super heady stuff. The ingredients are ridiculously interesting, but it does have a bunch of different extracts, a bunch of different essential oils. Give me a second, I'm gonna get something to drink, and then we will talk about the actual smell of this. Cheers. Yeah. So anyways, this smells incredibly clean. It smells exactly the way in which the title describes it. I really don't have too many complaints on Clean. In fact, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't actually have any complaints at all. Again, the links will be down in the description below, where you can find A, the music that I used, B, where to find me on all my social media platforms, and C, where to purchase Clean in all of their different forms. I hope you guys' day is incredible. It is a sunny, gorgeous day here in Flagstaff, Arizona.